Hi, in this video I'm gonna compare Unreal C++ and also Blueprint system with Unity C# in many fields. Finally, you can decide which one of them is useful for you, no matter you are a beginner, mid-level or professional. So, stick around until the end. First, let's talk about the script. What is a script in game engines specifically? A script or scripting language actually is a layer on top of the game engine that creators added this system and also an API or application programming interface to write your codes easily and without any extra problem. When you create a script, actually you can access to classes and methods that the creators of game engine provided to you. You can't modify the core, the main core, and the source code, and also you can't even see the source code, just like Unity Engine and C# scripting system. On the other hand, in Unreal Engine, when you create a C++ code, there's no any specific layer, extra layer, or API or scripting system. Actually, you can write your codes and use the game engine source code directly. You can see the source code, you can modify it and extend it, and beside this, you have many extra problems. I don't talk about the C# and C++. I'm just saying direct access to the source code and using it directly has some problems. But this question may raise, with these explanations, Unreal didn't provide a scripting system. Is it true? No, Unreal actually has a scripting system called Blueprint. It's not a language, but actually you can use the API or the extra layer using the Blueprint, and you can compile your blueprint in real time without any problem, and actually it's limited. I don't want to compare Blueprint system and C# in Unity because they have many differences, but actually the Blueprint system is the scripting language in Unreal. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Which one of these languages, C++ and C#, are easier? You may have seen many videos on differences between C++ and C#. For example, in C++, you need to manage the memory manually, but not in many cases, because Unreal has a system called reflection system. So what is this system? In regular C++, when you declare a new pointer and assign a memory to it, you need to delete that pointer and memory assigned to later. This is memory management. But in Unreal, when you declare a pointer of type of a class provided by Unreal, you don't need to manage the memory and delete the pointer later, because it will managed by Unreal Reflection System. Also in regular C++, you have access to an option called Smart Pointers that in this case you don't need to manage the memory. But anyway, with these explanations, C++ has other complexities. But in C#, you don't need to manage the memory. The codes are easier to debug, are easier to modify, and there are no specific complexities, and it's easier than C++ at all. And also you don't need to use pointers that in C++ they make complexities for you. But in some cases in C#, for example, when you want to read and write a file, you need to open a file stream and close it later. This is manually and it will not automatically close it. But what about the Blueprint system in Unreal? Blueprint system is easier than C++, but it's not easy to debug and it's not easy to manage. And it has not a lot of capabilities that I'll talk about it. But the Blueprint system is very different from the regular programming languages because Unreal Engine itself defines the rules. For example, in Blueprint system, we don't have static variables if you know about it. We need to define the static variables in a different way called game instances. Anyway, Blueprint system is easier than C++, but I prefer C++ because it has many capabilities. Let's talk about the compile time. One of the benefits of this extra layer, scripting system that many game engines such as Unity, Godot engine, Stride, Flex have been added to their engine is the compile time. The compiling process of the codes and scripts in these engines are almost real time. When you save your code, no matter you added 10 lines of code or 1000 lines, when you save your code, it will take up to 3 seconds to compile. But in Unreal Engine, it is different because you don't have an extra layer on top of the game engine. For example, the compile time between 10 lines of code and 1000 lines of code are very noticeable. Each time you compile your code in Unreal, it will take at least 10 seconds, and sometimes it will take minutes. And actually, this is the main problem of the C++ in Unreal Engine. But Blueprint system, which is the scripting language in Unreal Engine, is real time, just like C# in Unity, GDScript or C# in Godot, and so on. You can't even rename your classes in C++, Unreal Engine C++ easily. And sometimes you have to reopen the game engine. You can reduce the compile times using a system called Hot Reload that you can build your codes in Visual Studio itself, and it will reduce the compile time, but we have the same complexities. Let's talk about the capabilities. We can call C++ the god of libraries. It has a lot of libraries that you can download and include it to your code and use them easily. It has many capabilities and also improvements, which I can say the syntax of C++ is even easier than C#. For example, passing a function or delegate is easier than C#. Also, native syntax of C++ is easier than C#. For example, in C# you need to add the public or private backup your classes, methods, and variables. But in C++, you can write public and then add your variables, methods, and so on without any public, protected, and private keyword. Declaring the interfaces in C++ is easier than C#, and so on. So the syntax and the capabilities of C++ is better than C#. But what about the Blueprint? As I said, Blueprint is a system that invented by Unreal Engine. You can't import and include libraries. You have many limitations, and also you can't access to many features, advanced features in Unreal Engine itself. While in C# you have access to many libraries. It's true, C# is not as big as the C++, but it has many libraries and capabilities. It's not comparable with Blueprint system. And in case of freedom, in C++ you can manage the memory directly, and this is the freedom, which you can't do it in C#, but in some cases you can use unsafe mode, but it's not capable as much as the C++. Let's talk about the optimization. As you may know, C++ is the most optimized modern language that, as I said, we can manage the memory directly and implement many optimization techniques easily. C# is optimized too, but not as much as the C++, because you can't implement some optimization techniques in C#. But as my opinion, nowadays there are no noticeable differences between C# and C++ because we can see many mobile games created using Unity and C#. This difference appears when you want to use Unity to create, for example, GTA. So what about the blueprints? Blueprint system is not optimized as much as the C++, but when you build and export your project for a platform, it will compile to a code that its performance near to the C++. But actually, as I said, you can't implement many algorithms in Blueprint, and it has not many capabilities. And with these explanations, I can say blueprints are good, but for little games, because you can't implement many optimization techniques. You can't even declare a simple static variable in Blueprint. And another example is you can't even create an interface and make it inherited from another interface. You can only create a simple interface without any inheritance. Anyway, if you prefer the optimization, freedom, and capabilities, and you want to access to many libraries, C++ is the best language. If you don't want to manage the memory, but you want a simple or almost simple programming language with almost many libraries and also faster compile times, choose C#. But if you want to create your game with Unreal, but you don't want to evolve to the C++, and also your game is small, choose Blueprint. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.